Hey beauties, and welcome back. My name is Jeannie. This is Sips, Lips, and Makeup Tricks, where anything goes. BoxyCharm unboxings, Ipsy unbaggings, makeup and skincare hauls, makeup and skincare reviews, giveaways, and by the way, thank you guys so much. I am at 502 subscribers, and I know to some people that is kind of like, psh, but YouTube is not as easy to grow as like Instagram or Facebook, where you can just send out requests or follow somebody and hope they follow back. Like, it takes a lot of effort to grow a YouTube channel. And this is something that I have always wanted to do. So I am so happy I hit 500 subscribers, and that is because of you guys. Thank you so much. I am putting together an amazing 500 subscriber giveaway. It will be international, like most of my giveaways are. The only time a giveaway of mine will not be international is if there's something in the giveaway that could have a problem with shipping, such as a CBD or a hemp product, anything like that. My 500 subscriber giveaway will be international, and so will my September giveaway, which will be opening soon. I have a big lot of things ready, and I'm just kind of deciding what will go with what giveaway, and those will both be opening very soon. In the meantime, I do have a little tiny BoxyCharm Pop Up Haul. I was thinking about waiting and just doing it with my big order that is on the way. It's a 33 item, $200 order from BoxyCharm Pop-Ups. It was supposed to be here on Thursday, but it has been sitting in the same FedEx hub for the last 3 days. It's not going to be here on Thursday. I know it's not. I'm like hoping for Saturday, but we'll see. You guys know how it goes when we're dealing with FedEx. FedEx, get your shit together, would you? We want our stuff. But so I figured I would just jump on and show you this little haul that I do have. It is 5 items. So the first item is from Grown Alchemist. These are super expensive skincare items. Every now and then I do see them at my TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but it's very far and few between. And when I see them there, you better believe your girl is on it, because these are high-end skincare products. I do own quite a few things from them, and I love each and every one of them. This is not one that I have tried to date. It is the Age Repair Gel Mask. So this is what the product looks like. You do get quite a bit of product in there. A lot of their skincare products like this retail for like $200 or so. So I'm definitely excited to give this a try. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have a lot of skincare open, but I'm definitely excited to add it to my massive skincare collection. Next, I have something from Touch in Soul. This is the Icy Sherbert Primer. So I actually have one of these right here. I will show you what it looks like. The packaging is super cute. It's like an icy pink. This does have a marvelous smell. It smells so good to me. Oh my God, does it smell good. It's like super refreshing and floral. This is what the consistency looks like, and I love this primer. I kind of stopped using it recently because I have so many favorite primers that like, I love primers. And then like, I didn't want to run out of this. I don't like to run out of things. It's like a brain thing. Like, it freaks me out if like, I'm going to run out of something that I really like. So I stopped using it for a while, and now I have one for my backup drawer, so I'll continue to use it. But I do want to say this is amazing for blurring pores and fine lines. It does help your makeup sits really nice on top of it. It smells beautiful, and it has a nice cooling feeling when you apply it. So this is one of those primers that I love putting on when I'm groggy. I have to go to work and do a double shift or something like that, and I'm tired and I'm putting on my makeup, getting ready for work or whatever the case may be. This really wakes you up. It wakes your senses up. It cools the skin. It has an amazing aroma that you breathe in. This is a really good primer, you guys. If you haven't given it a chance yet, I highly suggest that you do so. This is a great primer, and I'm excited to have a backup. So the next product is by Jacka Black. This is the Play Pot. This is the golden one. Whoopsie. So they are vegan and cruelty-free. So I love golden shimmers and stuff like that. You guys, I cannot get this box open. I'm about to just rip the damn thing apart. Screw it. Let's rip it. Okay, we've got the product. So this is what it looks like. It is a decent amount of product. That is, for reference, like with my fingers, it's a pretty big thing. This is what the product looks like. I have not even opened it yet, but let's give her a... So this is what it looks like on the finger. This is what it looks like swatched. So they say that this can be used on the lips, cheeks, or eyes. I don't know that I would be doing like golden lips or cheeks, but I will definitely use this on the eyes. And the reason that I really wanted to try this is because I feel like it would be really good for a base on the eye if you were doing a super shimmery golden look and you had this underneath a really pretty golden shimmer eyeshadow. It would probably be drop dead gorgeous, stunning. The only thing I've ever tried prior of this brand is another thing from BoxyCharm, and it is the Hydrating Primer. I'll be honest and say not my favorite primer. I used it, I tried it. I will probably, you know, it's not my favorite. I don't hate it, but I have a lot better primers than this. This to me feels more like a moisturizer than a primer. It doesn't do much for pores or fine lines, and I don't really find that it sits the best underneath my makeup. I don't think it's horrible. I don't want to like badmouth it because it's not like some horrible product. It's not. It's just not my favorite. So we'll just leave it at that. But I'm definitely excited to give this a try. It is really pretty. It's got a really pretty shimmer. You get a decent amount of product there, and so yeah, we'll definitely be checking that out soon. Now, the next is from MediHeal. This is the Intensive Hydrating Cleansing Foam. Now, I picked this up because I have really, really dry skin, my face included, and a lot of the facial cleansers that are on the market can be extremely stripping. So I want to cleanse my face. I want to get all the makeup and gunk and get the day off of my face, right? But I don't want to strip all of my natural oils either because I have extremely dry skin. So this is something that I thought might work really well for me. I have not tried it in the past, but I'm definitely excited to give it a try. And even though I have a million things open, I'm probably going to open this up right away because I'm excited about it. So I'll let you know on a later date. If you have dry skin and you're curious, I'll let you know. And last but not least, this is by Milk Makeup. They have the cutest little tubes for their stuff, but this is the Holographic Lip Gloss. And I love multichromatic eyeshadows, multichromatic highlights. I love multichromatic. So that is what this is supposed to be like. I do like Milk Makeup. I have lipstick on right now, but let's just give it a try because I'm excited. Ooh, so it's got, oh, that is pretty. So what this would be good for, and I know I just got my lipstick all over the spoolie, but what this would be really good for is like a ombre lip. So do like a really dark berry color on the outside and then kind of just keep this right in the middle of the lip. So it's got that purple reflect. So with the berry color on the outside and this on the inside, this would make a gorgeous, gorgeous ombre lip. I'm really excited to have this. Ooh, that is pretty. I love it. Okay, so since you guys are here, if you want to see some more makeup, oh, let me tell you guys about this. I got the Ofra Retrograde Highlighting Compact on BoxyCharm Pop Up. It was the Buy More, Save More. So I got one, and this is what it looks like. It's stunning. I love Ofra's highlights. I use them all the time for my eye looks, under my brow bone, inner corner, highlight. I have it on right now. So I decided, okay, I'm going to put the other one in the giveaway. I opened it up just to take a peek, and this is what we got. So completely smashed. Such a bummer. I'm going to email BoxyCharm, but we all know how BoxyCharm support is. I'm probably going to be told that it was a pop-up sale, and pop-up sales are final. So that stinks. Today, I went to Ulta, though, and I just picked up just a couple little few things. So I grabbed a couple ColourPop, their Super Shock eyeshadow singles. I have never tried these, and I've heard great things about them. I have only just recently got into ColourPop. I did not like ColourPop. Well, it's not that I didn't like it. I just never gave it a chance. Let's put it that way. So I got a couple ColourPop palettes recently, and I fell in love with them. Super affordable and beautiful makeup. So I've heard really good things about these Color Shock singles. So I got a peach and a pink, and let's check them out together. So this is the, ooh, it's a lot softer than I anticipated. Don't go digging in. It's soft. So that is the peach. It's really buttery and soft. Wow. I think I expected a little bit more payoff, but it seems really nice. I mean, it was $6, so let's check out the pink really quick together. Now that I know it's soft like that, I'll be a little more gentle. So that is the pink. Ooh, that one's really pretty. That I like. Yeah, so like I said, I didn't not like ColourPop before. I just never really gave them a chance. I felt like they were like in between high-end and drugstore. I felt like it was a drugstore brand trying to charge more and be like almost high-end. I don't know why I thought that, but I got over that and gave them a try and literally fell in love with every product that I've tried from them. So, I don't know. I'm a ColourPop girl now. I love it. I also got this Smith & Colt eyeshadow palette today. This is what I did my look with today. I was really intrigued. I paid $28 for it. This is what it looks like. Just kind of like a really pretty neutral looking palette. But what really intrigued me is this. I don't know if you can see, but it's got some writing in the corner, and it says, I mix, I match, watch as I shift. So this color can be placed on any of the other colors in the palette and literally transform that other color into something different than what it looks like. So I played with swatches on the one that was in the store for display, and I'm like, oh my God, that is so cool. So I created the look that I have today with it. I love this. The only other product that I've ever tried from Smith & Colt is, I probably have it right here in my drawer. Over here is my liquid shadow drawer. You know what? It's full. I'm not going to dig. I have a liquid shadow from them that is like a pink, purple, silver, multi-chromatic eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow that I love. So anyhow, I picked this up, 28 bucks, super, super cool. They had one that was like this, and then they do have a purple version that has this same little guy that changes the other colors of the shadows, but like a more purple and pink themed. And to be quite honest, I probably would have picked that palette up, but they were out of it. So I went with this one, but I am like super happy. I don't know if you guys can see, but it made a super, super gorgeous look. So I got that. And then I also grabbed a Precisely My Brow from Benefit. I'm a Shella brow girl. I came across Shella Beauty in BoxyCharm, and I tried their brow kit from one of the add-on sales in the shade Beautiful Blonde, and it was the best match, best brow product that I've ever used for myself. But I don't know. I kind of really like this one too. This is the first time trying this particular Benefit brow product. I do have different ones. Like I've got this one, and I also have another one that's got like a powder stick on one side. But I'm not crazy about them. They're okay. I'm not crazy about them. I still prefer my Shella over those. This one, I got it in Neutral Blonde. I used it today, and I really, really, really like it. I don't know. It might be a really close second to my Shella. So, yeah, that's what I got for you guys right now. I have to say, you guys, I need to, like, I'm showing all of this makeup, but I need to, like, start using it with you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Give me some ideas. What do you guys want to see? What do you want me to do? Because I'm showing all this makeup, but, like, let's use it together, right? What do you guys want to see? Show me. Tell me. Leave me a picture. Hit me up on Instagram. Hit up my email and send me a picture of a look that you'd love to see me recreate. And girl, you got it. So my hair's a hot mess, you guys. It's one of them days. But you guys, I'm going to let you go for now. And until next time, stay safe, stay beautiful. And I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.